We're back with more news. A former official of the Duterte administration cursed after reading the testimony of Ramil Madriaga, the alleged bagman of Vice President Sara Duterte. Find out why in this report by MJ Mondijar.
Ang presidente ng Pilipinas, napakaraming sekretary, napakaraming undersecretary, napakaraming assistant secretary, at napakaraming general sa Armed Forces at sa PNP. Maliban pa sa napakaraming opisyal galing PMA at PNPA, ikaw na walang ranggo sa AFP at PNP, ikaw ang inutusan for counterintelligence.
Former National Youth Commissioner NYC Chairman Ronald Cardema could no longer contain his anger after reading the testimony of a certain Ramil Madriaga, the alleged bagman of Vice President Sara Duterte. At the PDP-HQ Coffee Forum in Manila, Cardema denied Madriaga's affidavit point by point.
Sometime in 2018, I was formally assigned by President Duterte to work for the Presidential Security Group. Masabi ko sa inyo, kahit pulis at sundalo ka, kahit graduate ka ng Philippine Military Academy at Philippine National Police Academy o Officer Candidate School, hindi ka agad makakapasok ng PSG kung hindi ka mag-VIP training sa PSG mismo.
Madriaga, who is currently detained at Camp Bagong Diwa, Taguig for a kidnapping case, has linked Vice President Sara to the alleged receipt of funds from POGO operators and drug lords. Based on reports, Madriaga is allegedly the leader of a notorious kidnap for ransom group. However, in his affidavit, he claimed that he served as an advisor to former President Rodrigo Duterte and to Vice President Sara on legal matters.
In 2018, I was introduced by President Duterte to his daughter, Davao City Mayor Sara Duterte, and likewise tasked by the President to provide intelligence gathering involving politics, law, to Mayor Sara Duterte. Pare, abogado si Rodrigo Duterte, abogado si Sara Duterte. Napakaraming abogadong nakapaligid sa kanila. Ikaw ang inutusan mag-provide ng legal advice kay Sara Duterte. Alam mo talaga sinungaling eh.
Cardema also downplayed Madriaga's claim that he was the convener of the group EC Pilipinas, or Inday Sara is my president. Based on his signed affidavit, Madriaga claimed that this was personally ordered by Vice President Duterte to prepare for her presidential bid.
When Mayor Sara Duterte won as Vice President, I was tasked to form the Vice Presidential Security and Protection Group. Walang nga, sa dami-dami ng general ng Armed Forces at PNP at mga opisyal na nakapaligid sa kanila galing PMA at PNPA, ikaw na walang ranggo, ikaw ang pinag-form ng Vice Presidential Security Group?
Madriaga's camp has already submitted his notarized affidavit to the Office of the Ombudsman and has called for action on his complaint. Meanwhile, another angle has emerged against Madriaga. In the same press conference, this was a statement of an unnamed source of former Communications Undersecretary Lorraine Badoy from inside the BJMP.
Sa kalapian si Madriaga, yung asset natin ang sinasabi, siya yung nilapitan ni Trillanes para i-assassinate si Vice President. The Vice President knows this.
Reporting for Newsland World, this has been MJ Mondijar, SMNI News.